Snoop testing in the open in a premiere by our male with the camera. The facelifted iteration of the German Roadster wears a great deal of camouflage of what is still a mid-cycle refresh. Nevertheless, in spite of the countless plastic sticker labels twisted around its body, it will only get a couple of moderate updates. Sporting identical graphics and retaining the shape, the headlights will likely be altered with new systems later down in the growth stage. By the appearances of it, the bumper has a smaller-sized central air conditioning intake and redesigned trim on the outer sides. And don't bother with the kidney grille, as it won't decrease the oversized course. Various other points that seem to bear up without any tweaks whatsoever are the hood, side mirror housings, as well as side skirts. The same can be said concerning a lot of the back end, save for the bumper, which is brand new. The diffuser, exhaust pointers and also the taillights look similar to the ones furnishing the existing Z4. Nonetheless, keep in mind that this is an early tester, and also the Munich vehicle mark has sufficient time to take care of these aspects also. We have yet to behold the inside, however we would not be stunned if they limit the updates to the software, upholstery and also trim. It shouldn't get any type of significant upgrades under the hood either, though some power devices may become a lot more thrifty and less contaminating. The introduction date is unidentified, yet our spy professional photographers believe that it will certainly premiere in mid-2023. That means that it will certainly be a 2024 model by the time it shows up in the United States.